Remember how the camera was always angled upward? That's because I was putting this mini tripod on my fruit basket and I called it a day. I just started using my regular tripod and problem solved. I'm doing my Sunday reset on Saturday, but we're gonna pretend it's a Sunday reset because I'm doing everything that I do on Sunday today, except grocery shopping because I just don't have time this weekend. So I'm gonna go Monday after I film, so like in the evening. You guys were really nice to me when I filmed my last like self-care vlog without makeup, and that really emboldened me because I am so insecure without makeup. But you guys were really nice, and I was like, you know what? I'm only doing this for the girls and the gays, so if you guys don't mind me without makeup, so I'm here without makeup again because I just did my skincare and I put tanning drops on my face. I love those because my body is a lot tanner than my face. So I have the Luxe Unfiltered tanning drops to kind of equalize that, balance it out. I was gonna make iced coffee this morning, but then I thought, I'm on a health kick. I went to the gym, like the actual gym last night. I'm really into it, like really into it. I learned how to use the machines, learn how to do what I need to do for my body, and I'm like, I'm down. So Pilates at home and working out at the gym are gonna be my new shtick. Let's do this. Oh no. So instead of coffee, I'm gonna do my greens and superfood from Bloom. Not sponsored, I know what you're thinking, but I have so much stuff from Bloom. I love it so much. I follow the girl who owns the company, her and her husband Greg, on YouTube. I watch their vlogs, I follow her on Instagram, I love her. So basically you just mix this with water and it's just, there's so much in it. I'm gonna let you pause this so you can read everything that's in it. It's so good for you. Okay, now let's make it. Oh, Sybil, I'm sorry, I didn't see you. You just take a scoop of this, it's 16 ounces of water, and bam. Ooh, girly, get out. You're healthy, suddenly. And then we're gonna take a little milk frother because it stirs everything nice. And we're just gonna, a little straw. I'm going to just get started right into cleaning today. I'm gonna put on an audiobook. I'm actually reading Daisy Jones and the Six. I am so excited about this. I have been wanting to read this for so long. It's everywhere, everyone talks about it. And I am listening to it because you guys know I love audiobooks when I'm cleaning. It's just like the wave. And oh, a lot of you guys ask me, how do you listen to audiobooks? Like, how do you get all these audiobooks? I use the app Libby, which is basically connected to your library card to your nearest library, and then you can check out audiobooks and ebooks through that. So that's what I do to always have audiobooks. Put my bedding in the wash, I'm gonna sort through laundry, and let's just get into cleaning. Just so cute. You guys just, you follow me everywhere and watch everything I do. So precious. You beautiful, beautiful bitch. Okay. I am here with the supplies and I'm ready to clean the bathroom. I hate cleaning the bathroom, like so much. I do this every other week because I'd rather die than do it. And I'm gonna put bleach in the toilet, but I'm wearing all black from Revolve. I will link this down below if you want it. It's a cute set. Like, we love her. Anyway, that might be dangerous, but I have no time to care. I'm gonna stand as far away as possible. This is low splash bleach. I know what I'm doing. Sit for 30 minutes, bestie. The mirrors, do I do the mirrors first? I feel like that's what I want to do, but I don't think I should. Sybil, are you serious? No. Okay, so the house is pretty much clean. I wanted to show you that I keep my beverages in here. So I have Lemon Perfect lemon waters, and then I have Celsius down here. But yeah, I don't know. I want to put kombucha in here, put more in here. I hardly ever put wine in there. I'm gonna have one of my Lemon Perfects and then go journal. It's just cold pressed lemon water, and it tastes really good. So I'm sorry, Sybil. I'm going to journal for a little bit. Basically, you guys know I plan for the week. I do all the planning and stuff. I think I'm gonna do that Monday morning, just like quick brain dump all my to-dos for the week, plan that out. Next week, so no, next Tuesday, I'm going to New York. I'll be there for over the weekend and then come back. But yeah, so I just wanna get sorted what I have to do before I go. There's a lot of videos I have to get done, things that I have to do. I wanted to just journal right now. One, because I've had a nasty sinus headache all day and it is just really bad right now. So I think I'm just going to journal for a little bit, decompress, and then watch Vampire Diaries until later, until I feel better. Nothing is helping. When I was talking to my Parsi health doctor, which you'll hear all about in the vlog that's coming out after this one, the weekly vlog, we found out that I have like overactive mast cells. I'll get into all of that, but that could be leading to these headaches. But yeah, so that's like besides the point, but we'll talk about my health and like the Parsley Health doctor's appointments that I went to in the vlog for later this week. But I have this journal. It's not one of my fancy ones. It's just a regular old binded, I guess, notebook. The reason I wanted to bring out a new notebook is because my mom recommended to me, or she suggested that I start just journaling my feelings, which I never really do. I'm always journaling with like a prompt or like what I want less of, what I want more of, like how was this week. I'm never actually journaling my feelings because it's so hard to write as fast as my brain thinks, but my mom recommended me trying that because, you know, it's a good way for me to process my feelings, my emotions, get over things, move through things. I don't know. It's a great, I guess, healing thing. And she's done it her whole life and she loves it. So I'm like, you know what? I should try. And I'm going to therapy like 2 days after I get back from New York, which I'm really excited about. Wish me luck that I love this therapist because I have cycled through so many and I don't connect with majority of them. The only one therapist that I've ever liked was a holistic therapist. Loved that queen, but that was when I was in high school. So let's just manifest that I like this therapist and that we can do some health and wealth with that queen. But I'm gonna just journal right now, just journal how I'm feeling, journal what's in my mind. I'm not gonna give myself any rules, any restrictions. I'm just gonna journal. You guys should do this too. We should all journal our feelings so we can really let out what's holding us back, I guess. I don't know. I think it's really nice. And I also want to chronicle my life so that when I die, when I die, or like when I'm on my deathbed, I have like a million of these and I could just read my entire life story. I wish I started earlier, but no time like the present. That is essentially this Sunday reset vlog. And no, it was not as in-depth and not as long as most of them, but I'm just really not feeling well, but I really want to get a video up because last week, super inconsistent, really disappointed in myself, but just a lot going on. And so I wanted to get this video out and I hope you guys do like it, but I will have more videos, lots of videos coming this week and this month and the rest of the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.